So this is my Nikon Z50 that I've bought just 2 days ago. I have this video that came out earlier this year that I said that I want to buy a new camera, and here it is. I'm truly excited because it's just one of the benchmark of my moments. So I have my friends here helping me recording because it's just like impossible to have the whole GoPro and a Nikon together. So I just testing this camera because I don't really know how it works unless I watch a tutorial on YouTube. I would like to have the Canon M6 Mark II, but it's just Canon that just discontinued to produce and manufacture those camera because of R7 and R10. So I decided Nikon, I think it's pretty good. So the idea of getting the Nikon Z50, the idea is not like I hate GoPro, but the thing about GoPro that lacks a little bit of depth is because I can barely mount the external microphone there. So with this I can do that because it's a GoPro Silver, and there's a lot of watch your step. There's a lot of things like echo. The thing about GoPro is they catch a lot of noise, and probably this, I can look at this, you can see the hot shoe right here. You can have it like a flash a little bit, and you can hang your whatever you want. You can hang the light, you can hang the the external microphone. So it's pretty handy, and I would like to shoot with 4K uncropped. It's not like GoPro is not cropped. I mean, the idea of GoPro is they have this fisheye lens where it's not making like a movie-like scene. So I need to up my game from GoPro to a Nikon, or however you pronounce it, Z50, to step up my game. I've watched a lot of tutorials for this camera, and I'll put the link on God damn it. I'll put the link on down here, and then you can see by yourself. You can review those who have a really good review on this camera. That's why I decided to buy it. For beginner camera, it's around, in Malaysian, it's around 3,600 or something, and it's really good because you have to learn a lot. There's a lot of buttons here that you can navigate around. We also have an external lens which I don't use as of now, probably in the other video. And then, yeah, it's nice, and it's nice to have these upgraded feelings. It's nice to have this new motivation to shoot. I need to learn more how to use it manually because, as you can see here, I shoot on auto. I can shoot on manual, which means I need to have a full understanding and practically knows how to use the aperture, the shutter speed, the ISO and stuff. So other than that, I'll just try and error, and let's see where it brings me. Probably it will bring me to the next level. It comes with a nice little bags right here. There's nothing real much here. It's just 2 slots for camera and for the lens. There's nothing here, just a little bit of pockets right here, a little pocket there. Probably you want to put your, I don't know, your SD card, your memo or something like that. But yeah, there's nothing much coming from it, but at least you got a bag. It's 1080p 30 fps. Not sure how it will go. I haven't tested the audio yet. The audio bar is really at the, yep, I can see it on the LCD. It works well. I'm not sure how it captures. Does it capture the same sound as GoPro? Does it capture the wind? Does it capture all those little things? And I don't know yet. Let's see how. This is like literally like second day of me touching and really going through this camera, so I'm really excited to see the potential of this camera and stuff. I started with a GoPro that really bets on low lights, don't have setting for ISO. Now I have everything that I want to have on the setting right here. As a closing, I don't really do closing, as you know me. I'll just probably just snap little pictures here and there. So see you on the next video. Fitri Deshta.